sure I got more eBay packages. I got them flipped upside down so you won't see the shipping labels. I can't take them off. They're very fucking difficult. Hope you don't see any one of them. So let's unbox it. This has a shipping label inside the fucking package. I see a little white piece of paper to stick that out. Yes, it is. It is a shipping label. So let's take that. Wow. Who organized it? Very nice. This pin goes strong back into place. So I can finally plug in my power strip. I don't want power surges. So let's set that aside. Box one of these. Set the plugs aside. Yeah, I'm at the outlet adapters. I only have fucking 2 prong outlets. Like, my landlord's a dumb fucking idiot for installing two prong outlets back in 2017. Like, it's not safe. That's those adapters work. The outlets used to be like 3 prong. I'm not gonna lie, they like literally cut the ground. That's a safety feature. I got Windows 11 Pro. Very nice. Looks authentic. It looks like it's never been opened, which is impressive. Windows 11 is very good. I don't know why some people hate it, but I think it's good. Windows 10 is going to be outdated in 2025. It's still good for now, and you don't have to update it though. If you're fine with Windows 10, then it's good. I do like Windows 10 a little better for the interface and stuff, the accessibility and stuff. It's not as, like, the Windows 11 is not as like convenient. I don't like the start menu in the Windows 11, but Windows 11 is just as fast and it's pretty good. It's not about geared in Windows 10, so it's worth giving it a try if you're comfortable upgrading. Is this a copy? Hold on. I got 2. That's good. In case if one doesn't work, that's good. I think they sent 2. Probably the shipping. Yeah. That is it. Thanks for watching.